Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS ZenPad 3S, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold power key and select power off. And once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume down. So let's do that now, power key and volume down at the same time. And you should be now in the boot mode. So from here, you want to only use a volume down to navigate, as you can see the arrow moving. And you want to select first option, which is recovery mode, and then press volume up to confirm it. Give it a moment. And we should see then the Android with no command. Well, there it is. So hold power key, press volume up once, and we're now in the recovery mode. Now in this mode, you will use both volume keys to navigate, as you can see. Volume up goes up and down goes down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And as you can see, you can reboot system now, which goes back to Android, reboot to bootloader, apply updates from either SD or ADB, wipe data, factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount/view system, view recovery logs, run some tests, and simply power off the device. Now, whatever you select, like I said, you will confirm with the power key. So, I'm gonna leave this mode, so I want to select reboot system now, press power key, and there we go, it's now leaving it. And as you can see, we're back in the Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.